Hi everyone, I'm Sonam and today I'll be reviewing Atelier NEORAH's multi-purpose pouch. I have the product right here with me. So what is NEORAH? NEORAH is a proud Indian manufacturing brand. All their products are handcrafted with high quality and custom made materials. I have got myself this compact pouch to store my stationeries while I'm traveling. Let's talk about the packaging first. So the packaging is really nice and compact. It is waterproof, so all your materials, all your orders will be really safe while getting shipped and delivered. And the plus point about this box is after taking out your product, you can reuse this box. I always reuse their box for storing my washi tapes and my charcoals and everything. So yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside it. So as I told you, the packaging is quite compact and everything you order is really safe inside it. Let's open the packaging. You can see the brand logo. Okay, so now you can see that the pouch comes with a second layer of packaging. I'm going to reuse this package as well. Yeah, this is the brand. You can see it's from 1969. All the products are handcrafted, all the products are custom made. You can get all the details of the brand here. You get a care of instruction manual with it. Now let's see how the product is. Okay, so it's a beautiful black number. You can see the logo. It's a golden logo on the front of the pouch. It's stylish and compact. It's half moon in shape. Half moon shape is very easy to store. It makes it very easy to slip into your handbag stores or travel bags or even in your suitcases. This material is handcrafted in European vegan leather and it has a Golden YKKMetal Zipper from Japan. Okay, you can see it here. The zipper is quite big. Let's take out this material and see the size. Okay, so the inside is really spacious. It is the inside of the box also contains their logo, the NEORAH's logo, and the covering is silk blend linen. Okay, it's a multifunctional pouch, so it's perfect for carrying and organizing a lot of essential things. You can keep your toiletries, you can keep your jewelries, medicines, gadgets, you can keep your makeups. But I have bought this for keeping my stationery while I'm traveling. So first of all, this is really important for me. I always carry my pens with me, so this will go right inside it. So along with the pen, I am going to add a few of my pencils, few colored pens and a mini sketchbook as well. You can see a lot of things are inside it and still there is a lot of space in it. You can see the quality of the leather. It's 100% vegan, guys. You can see the quality of the zipper as well. It's YKK metal from Japan and you will get the logo of the company on the front of it. You can see the design. It's very simple. It's very stylish. It will give a sense of style, and I think I'm going to use it not only for carrying it inside my tote bags and other things. I'm going to use it as a handbag as well. So yes, overall the product is really good. I like the product. Let's talk about the price of the product. Right now it's available on their website at the price of 1199. That's 1199 rupees. I'm going to share the link of the product along with my referral code so that you can get a really good discount on your purchase. All you have to do is just go on their website and select the product. While checking out, you will have to put in my referral code and then you will get the discount. The shipping is really quick. You don't have to wait for a long time for your order to get delivered to you. So yeah, overall I really am happy with my product. Do check out the description for all the details of the product. I'm going to add the link of this little sketchbook as well if you want. And yeah, tell me in the comment section how you like the product, or if you want to ask anything, go ahead and write it in the comment box. So yeah, let's meet next time with another review or a drawing. Till then, bye bye everyone.